Good morning. Here are the latest political and sports updates from India for 4th April 2025. Political news. Contentious Waqf Amendment Bill introduced in Parliament. The Waqf Amendment Bill has been tabled in Parliament, proposing significant changes to the management of Waqf properties. Notably, the bill allows for non-Muslim individuals to be appointed as chief executive officers of Waqf boards and mandates the inclusion of at least 2 non-Muslim members in each state's Waqf board. Additionally, it grants district collectors the authority to determine the status of disputed properties. These provisions have sparked widespread criticism and debate across the country. India evaluates impact of U.S. reciprocal tariffs. Former U.S. President Donald Trump announced a 27% reciprocal tariff on Indian imports, citing unfair trade practices. Despite acknowledging Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a great friend, Trump emphasized the need for balanced trade relations. The Indian government is currently assessing the potential implications of these tariffs on its economy and export sectors. India and Thailand elevate ties to strategic partnership. During a recent visit to Thailand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the upgrading of India-Thailand relations to a strategic partnership. Both nations expressed support for a free, open, inclusive, and rules-based Indo-Pacific order, emphasizing development over expansionism. Prime Minister Modi to relaunch Amravati Capital Project. Andhra Pradesh Chief Secretary K. Vidyanand revealed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to relaunch the construction of the Amravati Greenfield Capital City this month. The initiative aims to resume projects valued at approximately 1 lakh rupees crore, signaling a renewed focus on the state's development. Sports news. Kolkata Knight Riders triumph over Sunrisers Hyderabad. In the latest IPL 2025 match, Kolkata Knight Riders, KKR, secured a victory against Sunrisers Hyderabad, SRH. KKR posted a formidable total of 200/6, thanks to half-centuries from Venkatesh Iyer and Ankrish Raghuvanshi. Despite a strong start, SRH fell short in their chase, leading to KKR's win. Mohammad Siraj's stellar performance against former team. Representing Gujarat Titans, Mohammad Siraj delivered an impressive spell, taking 3 wickets for 19 runs against his former team, Royal Challengers Bengaluru. His performance was particularly noteworthy following his omission from India's Champions Trophy squad, showcasing his resilience and skill on the field. Travis Head reflects on relationship with Indian cricket fans. Australian cricketer Travis Head discussed his complex relationship with Indian fans, acknowledging the emotional highs and lows experienced during his performances in India over the past 2 years. His candid reflections shed light on the passionate and dynamic nature of cricket fandom in the country. Nitish Kumar Reddy commends Captain Pat Cummins. Sunrisers Hyderabad's Nitish Kumar Reddy praised team captain Pat Cummins for instilling confidence within the squad. Reddy highlighted Cummins' leadership qualities and their positive impact on team morale and performance. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.